It's a beautiful morning. You're holding your favorite mug, filled with rich, dark coffee. Suddenly you trip, or maybe the dog gets underfoot, and the mug tips. In slow motion, coffee arcs through the air, landing with a splash on your light-colored carpet. Your heart sinks as a dark stain spreads. It feels like a disaster, but don't panic. This isn't the end for your carpet. Forget expensive cleaners and harsh chemicals. The hero you need is already in your kitchen: white vinegar. Trusted for generations, vinegar is a powerhouse for cleaning. Think of this as a chance to learn a new skill. You're about to become a DIY stain removal expert. All you need are a few household items and a little patience. We'll walk through the process together, step by step. Watch that ugly spot disappear using a safe, natural, budget-friendly solution. Let's tackle the stain head-on and turn panic into pride. By the end, you'll have a spotless carpet and the confidence to handle any future spills. Let's get started. Your carpet is counting on you. Why is white vinegar such a cleaning champion? It's all about the acetic acid, a mild acid that breaks down coffee's dark, stubborn tannins. Vinegar dissolves these compounds, lifting them from carpet fibers so you can blot them away. It's also a natural deodorizer, neutralizing odors instead of masking them. Unlike commercial cleaners that leave sticky residues, vinegar rinses clean, so your carpet stays fresher longer. No harsh chemicals, no heavy perfumes, just a clean, odor-free surface. Using vinegar is about working smarter, not harder. It's a single, versatile ingredient that tackles both stain and smell. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. Nature gave us this tool. Let's use it. Ready to see it in action? Before we start, let's gather our supplies. You probably have everything you need at home. No special shopping trip required. Here's your checklist: distilled white vinegar, cool water, an empty spray bottle, clean white cloths or paper towels, baking soda for tough stains, and a vacuum. Use only plain white vinegar. Other types can stain. Cool water prevents setting the stain deeper. The spray bottle helps you apply the solution evenly. Always use white cloths to avoid color transfer. Microfiber is ideal for lifting dirt and moisture. Baking soda is your backup for stubborn stains. Have everything ready before you begin for a smooth, stress-free process. Let's move on to mixing your cleaning solution. Time to mix your cleaning solution. 1 part white vinegar, 1 part cool water in a spray bottle. Shake gently. Your powerful, non-toxic cleaner is ready. But before you spray, always do a spot test. Every carpet is different, so test your solution on a hidden area first. Spray, wait a few minutes, then blot with a white cloth. Check for color transfer or damage. If the carpet looks unchanged, you're good to go. This quick step gives you peace of mind and protects your carpet. Never skip it. Once you've passed the spot test, you're ready for the main event. Let's tackle that coffee stain and restore your carpet. Here's how. First, blot up any excess coffee with a clean, dry white cloth. Don't rub. Next, lightly mist the stained area with your vinegar solution. Dampen the fibers, but don't soak the carpet. Spray from the outside of the stain inward to prevent spreading. Let the solution sit for 5–10 minutes. Blot again with a fresh white cloth, pressing firmly to lift the stain. You should see the brown color transferring to your cloth. Repeat the spray, wait, and blot cycle as needed. Some stains, especially with cream or sugar, may need a second round. Patience and repetition are key. Don't rush. Continue until the stain is gone or barely visible. This gentle, persistent approach works wonders. If a faint stain or odor remains, it's time for baking soda. Make sure the area is slightly damp, then sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the spot. Let it sit for several hours or overnight for best results. Baking soda absorbs moisture and odors, giving your carpet a deep clean. After waiting, vacuum thoroughly to remove all the powder. Go over the area from different directions for best results. Your carpet should now be stain-free and fresh. The vinegar and baking soda combo is nearly foolproof. Step back and admire your work. The stain should be gone or nearly invisible. The carpet should look clean and feel soft. You did it using simple, natural ingredients. For best results every time, remember these tips. Always blot, never rub. Rubbing pushes, stains deeper and damages fibers. Act quickly. Fresh spills are easier to remove. Use only white cloths to avoid dye transfer. Work from the outside in to contain the stain. Don't oversaturate. Multiple light applications are better than one heavy soak. Be patient. Let the vinegar work and blot thoroughly. These habits will help you tackle any spill with confidence. With these skills, you're ready for any cleaning challenge. Your carpets will thank you. Let's keep them looking great. Cleaning with vinegar and baking soda isn't just about spotless carpets. It's a safer, healthier choice for your home. No chemical residues for kids or pets to touch. Vinegar is non-toxic and food safe. No need to air out the room. It's budget-friendly. A bottle of vinegar and a box of baking soda cost just a few dollars. You'll save money and avoid single-use chemical cleaners. It's better for the planet, too. No harsh chemicals down the drain. Vinegar and baking soda are biodegradable and eco-friendly. Small changes add up to a big impact. Smart, safe, and responsible. What's not to love? Let's answer some common questions. Can you use apple cider vinegar? No, its color can stain your carpet. Stick to clear, distilled white vinegar. Worried about the vinegar smell? It disappears as it dries, taking the coffee odor with it. Is this safe for all rugs? It's great for most synthetic carpets, but test first and avoid on delicate fibers like wool or silk. Always spot test. Does this really work? Absolutely. Often better than chemical cleaners, and it leaves no sticky residue. Vinegar and water clean both stain and odor at the source. No harsh chemicals needed. It's a proven science-backed method. Clean smarter, not harder.